Hello mga kalendi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, tayo ay gagala together with my co-workmates ang night group of guide. At pupunta tayo ng Batangas para bisitahin ang
Welcome to J Castle with Kalendi and friends.
Naiba yung boses, ang laki. Hehe. Thank you Chingu, Jaja sa pagkuha. And we are about to enter J Castle. And this is Jay, the official mascot of J Castles, the biggest immersive theme park in the country nestled in Tanawan City, Batangas. Its business operation launched on May 1, 2024. Their park stands as a beacon of creativity, innovation, and adventure because of its facilities, and it aims to have a positive impact on the local and international environment and economy, especially by contributing to expanding the tourism industry throughout the country. And of course, hindi pwedeng walang makasayaw itong si Jay. O diba, kapareho pa ng unang letra ng pangalan niya, si Jay. At pareho din ng damit, color black, diba? Bongga! So everyone mga kalendi, let's embark on an unforgettable journey into a realm of thrills and excitement at J Castle! J Castle has two castles to explore, the Castle Pop and the Castle Studio. At uunahin natin pasukin ang Castle Pop. Mga kalendi, welcome to Castle Pop!
Pero syempre, hindi natin naman siya siyang pagkarami na. So, kausapin na po yung expectations ninyo once again.
Tawag ba sa mga friends niya Ate J-Bots?
Gens po.
Happy morning.
Happy
Start
morning.
with a self-introduction for you to watch. Please, this is our screen. Look at the screen for our shortcut.
Welcome to Castle Pop, where the wonders of space and the promise of the future gently intertwine.
Castle Pop has 11 attractions or galleries to be enjoyed. The first one that we've entered is their Castle Hall, the first attraction that emphasizes and encourages guests to take photos of the modern concept of the castle, which has unique murals and paintings. And then kung nasan tayo ngayon is their briefing room, engaging introductory space where visitors receive essential background information, safety instructions, and an overview of the attractions. And welcome to the theater, the third part of the Castle Pop. It conveys messages through the video clip, which the guests can appreciate the creativity and craftsmanship in the story of the characters traveling in the different dimensions. And welcome to the Astro Ball, the fourth part of the Castle Pop. An out-of-this-world adventure in the Astro Ball, guests can experience a thrilling journey, interaction in the giant ball platform to engage guests in learning about astronomy, space exploration, and celestial phenomena. And the fifth and sixth part of the Castle Pop are the Chill Carousel and Thrill Tower. Chill Carousel integrates mathematical concepts into the carousel experience by discussing the geometry of carousel design, while Thrill Tower offers interactive demonstration that explain the principles of the physics in free fall and acceleration. And for our next room or gallery is the seventh part of the attraction here in Castle Pop. So everyone, welcome to the Light Bridge. In Light Bridge, guests will enter a realm where lights and imagination create to captivate guests with the mesmerizing display of towering pillars with dynamic LED lights. And here it is, the balloon pillars with colorful LED lights. And next is the 8th part of the castle. Mga Kalendi, welcome to J Express. Here in J Express, guests will embark on an adventure through J Express Spaceship Tunnel, which transports guests to different dimensions with stunning visuals, immersive sound effects, and pulse-pounding excitement. The spaceship offers an unforgettable experience that ignites the imagination and travel guests to the next phase of attraction. And for our next gallery, welcome to the Disco Era. Disco Era is the 9th part of the attraction inside Castle Pop. Guests will step into the disco room, an electrifying attraction that transports back in time to the glitz and glamour of the disco era. Enter a kaleidoscope of colors with 2 fantastic slides. At ito na nga yung slide dito sa disco era na talaga namang na-enjoy ng iyong Kalendi. O, diba? Kitang-kita. At kung hindi naman kayo mahilig sa slides or ayaw nyo talaga sa slides, pwede naman tayong pumunta sa next room by using the stairs. And for our next room is the game room, our 10th interactive attraction that offers guests of all ages a thrilling escape into the world of play and adventure, photo opportunities with mascot, and discover a wonderland of arcade games. And the last part of the Castle Pop, the Giant Duck Pool. Giant Duck Pool is a whimsy and wonder collide in playful giant rubber ducks in the pool by playing, promoting social skills, teamwork, and emotional intelligence. Simply enjoy the cheerful ambience of the room.
Yay! Happy heart! Silid! Okay, stop!
Now, puntahan naman natin ang second castle here in J Castles. Walang iba kundi ang Castle Studio. Now entering. Here in Castle Studio, we need to take off our shoes because there is a gallery na tatapak tayo sa tubig na para tayong nasa baha. And also, there are galleries na merong glasses or mirrors, which is dangerous for the shoe to step on. Baka kasi magkaroon ng gasgas or scratch. And here are the first two gallery of the Castle Studio, the Flood Alley and the Water District Room. Flood Alley is designed to educate guests about the causes, effects, and mitigation strategies related to flood. This concept is about the complex and critical issue of flooding, fostering a deeper understanding, and encouraging proactive measures to mitigate flood risk. And Water District Room is an immersive flood simulation experience and explains the science of moving water, the factors that contribute to flood hazards, and the importance of flood preparedness, and safety measures that also explore the principles of urban ecology. The next room is the Infinite Space, an immersive experience that explores the science of optical illusions, highlighting how the brain processes visual information and interprets sensory stimuli to create subjective experience of reality. Gusto ko dito, mailaw. And the next room is UFO Laser. Step into the Future attraction combines cutting-edge technology and interactive learning to transport into high-tech alien spacecraft and develops STEM education programs that focus on topics and engage with the laser puzzles, holographic displays, and virtual reality related to space science, technology, and mathematics. The fifth part of the Castle Studio is the Cosmic Projection, an extraordinary attraction where reality meets the imagination through advanced projection technology. An immersive experience where guests travel through their optical illusions, captivating journey for visitors of all ages. Time to rest! Because the next room is the Bubble Talk, showcases the crystal design inspired by the nature, spiritually, and cultural traditions, encouraging guests to explore their creativity and their style through their wearable art facing the picturesque lake view. Second to the last is the Digital Forest, walks and tours where nature meets innovation that explore a landscape, encounter captivating wildlife, and learn the wonders of the forest of one-of-a-kind sensory experience that delights the imaginations of the guest. Last is the Light Strip. It is a passageway that is fascinating and enlightening experience for the guest, and also the end of the journey experience. And that's it for today's video mga kalendi. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa ating gala for today. So everyone mga kalendi, please like and share this video and comment na rin para maganda ang ating bandingan. At sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe! And don't forget to hit the notification bell para manalapay ko kayo on my next video. So everyone mga kalendi, this is Eloy. Bye-bye!